Welcome to this comprehensive guide on IoT cost optimization. In this presentation, you'll learn practical strategies for reducing infrastructure and operational expenses in your Internet of Things deployments. The three main areas where costs accumulate in IoT systems are cloud infrastructure, connectivity services, and hardware investments. By understanding and optimizing these core components, you can significantly reduce your total cost of ownership while maintaining system performance and reliability. Before diving into optimization strategies, it's crucial to understand where your money is actually going. Cloud storage and processing costs include data storage fees, compute resources for analytics, and processing platforms that charge based on usage. Connectivity fees come from cellular data plans, Wi-Fi infrastructure maintenance, and bandwidth charges that multiply across every connected device. Hardware investments include the initial purchase of sensors and gateways, plus ongoing replacement components. Finally, power and maintenance costs encompass energy consumption, battery replacements, and the labor required for system upkeep. Each of these categories can be optimized independently to achieve substantial savings. Cloud costs are often the largest ongoing expense in IoT deployments. The first strategy is edge computing, where you process data locally on edge devices rather than sending everything to the cloud. This can reduce cloud data transfer and storage costs by up to 70%. Data filtering and aggregation is the second approach, sending only essential data to the cloud by filtering out noise and aggregating sensor readings before transmission. Third, right-sizing resources means matching your cloud compute and storage capacity to actual usage patterns, eliminating waste from over-provisioned infrastructure. Finally, auto-scaling and scheduling allows you to automatically adjust resources based on demand and schedule non-critical tasks during off-peak hours when cloud pricing is lower. Connectivity costs can quickly spiral out of control when deploying thousands of devices. Low-power wide-area networks like LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, or Sigfox are perfect for low-bandwidth applications and can save up to 90% compared to traditional cellular plans. Batch data transmission groups multiple sensor readings into single transmissions, reducing connection frequency and cutting data charges by 60%. Data compression uses efficient algorithms to minimize the size of transmitted data, reducing bandwidth costs by 50%. A Wi-Fi first strategy prioritizes Wi-Fi connections whenever available and only uses cellular as a fallback, lowering monthly fees by 70%. Implementing these connectivity optimizations can dramatically reduce your operational expenses. Smart hardware decisions at the beginning can save enormous costs over the system lifetime. First, choose the right sensor grade for each application. Industrial-grade sensors are expensive and should only be used where necessary. Consumer-grade sensors work perfectly well for non-critical applications at 1/5 the cost. Energy-efficient hardware selection is critical. Low-power microcontrollers and sensors reduce battery replacement frequency and can extend device lifespan to 10 years or more. A modular design approach allows you to build systems with replaceable components, so you can upgrade individual parts instead of replacing entire devices when technology improves. Finally, bulk purchasing and standardization means selecting fewer device types and buying in larger quantities to negotiate discounts up to 40% with suppliers. Power consumption directly affects both battery replacement costs and energy bills. Sleep modes are essential, putting devices into deep sleep between readings to reduce power consumption by 90%. For outdoor deployments, solar harvesting uses small solar panels to continuously recharge batteries, potentially eliminating battery replacement costs entirely. Adaptive sampling adjusts the sensor reading frequency based on detected changes in the environment, reducing power consumption by 70% while maintaining data quality. Power over Ethernet combines data and power delivery in a single cable for fixed installations, lowering installation costs significantly. Efficient batteries, particularly lithium primary cells with 10-plus year lifespans, reduce maintenance visits for remote sensors. Power monitoring helps you track energy consumption across your fleet to identify and fix power-hungry devices that are dragging down efficiency. How you manage data has a massive impact on storage costs. Smart storage tiers involve using hot storage for recently accessed data, cool storage for monthly archives, and cold storage for compliance data that's rarely accessed. Auto-tiering automatically moves data between tiers based on age and access patterns. Retention policies are equally important. Delete raw data after processing it into useful insights, keeping only aggregated summaries. Set automatic expiration dates and comply only with legal minimum retention requirements. Data sampling reduces costs by lowering sampling rates for stable metrics while increasing frequency during anomalies. Store delta changes instead of full snapshots to minimize storage. Query optimization rounds out your data management strategy. Cache frequently accessed data, use database indexes effectively, pre-aggregate common queries, and limit the scope of real-time analytics to what's truly necessary. Open-source solutions can deliver enterprise-grade functionality at a fraction of the cost. Self-hosted platforms like ThingsBoard, Node-RED, or Eclipse IoT can be deployed on your own infrastructure, reducing costs by 80% compared to commercial platforms. Open-source analytics tools like Grafana, InfluxDB, and Prometheus replace expensive commercial analytics platforms and can save $15,000 or more annually. Free MQTT brokers like Mosquitto or EMQX handle device communication at no licensing cost, saving $500 or more per month. Edge computing frameworks such as EdgeX Foundry or CubeEdge provide alternatives to managed services like AWS Greengrass, reducing costs by 65%. While open source requires more technical expertise to implement and maintain, the cost savings can be substantial for organizations with in-house technical capabilities. Cost optimization isn't a one-time activity but an ongoing process. Monitor 3 key metrics continuously. First, cost per device tracks your monthly expenses per connected device, making it easy to spot trends and anomalies. Second, data transfer volume monitoring helps identify bandwidth usage spikes that could indicate inefficiencies or problems. Third, resource utilization measures how efficiently you're using cloud compute and storage resources. Implement a continuous improvement cycle with 4 phases. Monitor your systems to gather performance and cost data. Analyze this data to identify optimization opportunities. Implement optimizations based on your analysis. Measure the impact of your changes. Then the cycle repeats. This systematic approach ensures you're constantly improving efficiency and reducing costs over time. Let's look at 3 real-world examples of successful IoT cost optimization. In agriculture, a smart farming implementation deployed soil moisture sensors with LoRaWAN connectivity and edge-based data filtering. By using local processing for irrigation decisions instead of cloud-based analytics, they reduced cloud costs significantly and achieved $45,000 in annual savings. A manufacturing floor monitoring system switched from cellular to Wi-Fi first connectivity, implemented data compression, and moved from a commercial to an open-source analytics platform. The result was a 72% monthly cost reduction. Finally, a smart building energy management system used adaptive sampling for HVAC sensors, implemented tiered storage for historical data, and optimized battery life with sleep modes. They extended battery life to 10 years and reduced cost per device by 65%. These examples demonstrate that substantial savings are achievable across different industries by applying the strategies discussed in this presentation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.